Hey, so pretty freaking blonde. The one part I'm like nervous about is like the back part is like pretty brown or dark. It wasn't even that dark to begin with. I don't know, it could just be the comparison again. I'm just nervous, but I'm gonna wash it and see what we're ended up with. This could be a complete fail. That is too light. That is too light. That is too light. Well, jump into the shower. Oh my god. Guys, the roots are horrible. My towel just fell. Oh. Oh my god. Ew, what is that? A piece of my nail? Oh my god. Oh no. Guys, it is just spotty. Can you see that? It is just like a freaking zebra. I hope like the bottom part, because it was already one color, is fine. Let me bring it out. But the top, it is so bad. It is horrible. Guys. Like, and the conditioner that it came with, ooh, I just squirted water everywhere. The conditioner it came with is really good. Like, my hair feels really good. It smells really good. Like, it didn't fall off. Like, my ends look really healthy. So you can see that. But this dye job on the dark part is just orange. Oh my god. Look at, you guys can't, I feel like on camera it's not as bad as it is in real life. Because it is just horrible. There, you can kind of see it. It is horrible. Here. Can you see the different colors? This is so bad. This is so bad. Let's see if we can fix it. Let's see. Let's see. Curly hair has saved me where you can't tell that all this shit is so bad. So let's see. So it's pretty much dry now. And like for the most part, where my hair was already pretty white blonde, the color's good. I'm not gonna lie, the color's good. I can say it's salvageable. It's just, that is brassy AF, you guys. Look at this. Like, oh my god. Do you see this? Oh god, look at there, you see it? So I think what I just really need is just like a good toner. I think maybe it was, you can't see the spottiness like I was hoping you wouldn't. So it's not that bad. Let's see what we got going in the back. Let's see. Okay, the back looks good to me, at least. Need to like tone, it will be good. Side's kind of wet still, I just got lazy. But yeah, I think I like the platinum color. I just think I'm gonna go get a toner, and that'll probably be a separate video in and of itself. but dear God, I think I'll manage like this for a day until I can go get a toner from Sally's. I'll go to like a professional place and get a good toner because I need to save this. But for now, I think in the front, this is okay and we'll make this do. So we'll find out what the final thing is at the end of that video. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know it's kind of a mess. But if you like my mess, please subscribe to my channel so you can see all my other videos that I have coming up, and watch all my like old videos too, because you know, like content is content, you know what I'm saying? And leave me a comment down below if you guys like my hair, hate my hair, think it's a mess, you like my curls, hate my curls, whatever, you know, like make fun of me. I really don't care. I invite hate comments, honestly, I do. I have a fragile ego, so we'll get to me. So I'll see you guys. You can also connect with me on social media. It's all linked in the description down below, but I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.